Good morning, students. Today we have to start from line 116. That is Stefano's speech. Any problem in what we did on the last term? No. Fine. So what happened? Stefano and Trinculo, they saw each other, and then Stefano pulled him out of Caliban's gabardine. Right? He was pulled out of his dress, out of Caliban's dress, and so they are very happy. So they are very happy to see each other, and then they say that two Neapolitans, they have escaped. Means two residents of Naples, they have escaped the shipwreck and they are still alive. So Stefano says, pray thee, do not turn me about. My stomach is not constant. What happened? Trinculo must have just got hold of Stefano and started going round and round, right? Dancing. So Stefano says, please, I request you, please don't turn me around. My stomach is not constant. Right, my stomach is not unsteady. I am having a unsteady kind of feeling in my stomach. So please don't let me go round and round. My stomach is upset. Caliban, these be fine things, and if they be not spirits, that's a brave God and bears celestial dignity. I will kneel to him. So see, Caliban is very much impressed after having that wine. Right? So he is talking to himself because aside is written. So he is talking to himself and he says that these be fine things. These two creatures, they appear to be very fine. They appear to be good human beings. And if they be not spirits, and I don't think that they are not, I don't think that they are spirits, right? If they are not spirits, then they are really fine, good human beings because they gave me such a wonderful liquid to drink, such a wonderful drink. I was offered by them. So they are definitely good human beings if they are not the spirits of prosperity. That's a brave God and bears celestial. I will kneel to him. And this seems to be a brave God. This seems to be a gallant, a valiant God. And I am going to kneel before him. I am going to accept his supremacy over me. Why? Because he is carrying the celestial liquor. Celestial liquor means the heavenly, the divine drink he is carrying. He is referring to the wine. Says because he is carrying the divine drink with him. So celestial liquor is a reference to wine, which Stefano was carrying. So because he is carrying this wine and he gave me such a wonderful drink, such a wonderful divine drink to have, so I am going to kneel before him. Stefano, how didst thou escape? How camest thou hither? Swear by this bottle, how thou camest hither. So Stefano is asking Trinculo, how did you escape the shipwreck? How were you saved from the shipwreck? And how did you land upon this island? Swear by this bottle, take an oath by this bottle, swear by this bottle that how did you come here? Hither means here. I escaped upon the butt of a sack, which the sailors used. So how was Stefano escaped? How did Stefano save himself? He was saved because he got hold of a butt of sack. Butt of sack means the cask of wine, the wine from which he was drinking. He got hold of that cask of wine and he swam to the shore, swam to this island. Sailors heaved overboard, which was thrown into the sea by the sailors because when the ship started sinking, they were throwing things from the ship to reduce the weight in the ship. So the sailors, they threw that cask of wine. Casks are huge containers of wine, right? So he threw that huge container of wine into the sea and I caught hold of it and swam to this island. So by this bottle means I am swearing by this bottle, which I made of the bark of tree. And then I came to this island and I made this bottle, showing the bottle to Trinculo. Says that I made this bottle from the bark of a tree, right? With mine own hands since I was cast ashore. So this bottle was made by me from the bark of a tree with my own hands. I myself made this bottle since I was cast ashore. From the time I landed on the shore, was busy making this bottle. Wine only. I'll swear upon that bottle to be thy true subject, for the liquor is not holy. So now Caliban has decided. He says that I am also ready to swear by this bottle. I am ready to accept you as my superior. I am ready to bow down before you, for the liquor is not earthly. Because the liquor which you gave me, that was definitely not an earthly drink, right? That was some divine kind of a drink, and so I am ready to accept your supremacy over me just because of this divine drink which you have given me. Stephano, here, swear then how thou escapest. So they are not paying any attention to what Caliban is saying. Right? Stephano and Trinculo, they are busy talking amongst themselves. And Caliban is going on talking whatever he has to say. So Stephano says, here, swear thou how thou escapest. Stephano asked Trinculo, tell me how you escaped, how you came to this island. I have already told you. This is important. You need to remember how Stephano was saved and how Trinculo was saved. Right? So Stephano says, now you tell me, now you swear by this bottle that how were you saved from the shipwreck? How were you saved from getting drowned? Trinculo, swam ashore man like a duck. I can swim like a duck. So he says that I swam ashore, means I came to the shore swimming and I can swim like a duck. I'll be sworn. I'm ready to take an oath that I can swim like a duck. Stephano, here, kiss the book. Kiss the book means kiss the bottle, right? Give Trinculo the drink. Though thou canst swim like a duck, thou art made like a fish. So Stephano says, okay, fine, now kiss this bottle. So the bottle which he was carrying, the bottle of wine which he was carrying. Okay. So Stephano says that though you can swim like a duck, he said, Trinculo said that I came to the shore by swimming like a duck. So Stephano says, though you can swim like a duck, but still you look like a fool. Stupid people talking stupid things. Trinculo, oh Stephano, hast any more of this? So then any more of this means any more of this wine, any more of wine you have, any more of alcohol do you have? So Trinculo says that, do you have any more of this, or this is the only thing which you have, whatever is there inside the bottle? Stephano, the whole butt, man. My cellar is in the rock by the seaside where my wine is. So Stephano says, I have the whole butt. The whole butt means the whole cask of wine I have. And my storehouse, cellar means the storehouse. My cellar is in the rock by the seaside, and I have hid that whole cask, that big container of wine, by the seaside where my wine is, right? Near the side of the sea, I have hidden my wine. That entire cask has been hidden by me. How now, moon calf? How does thine ague? So he says, and you moon calf, monster. Moon calf means monster. And you moon calf, foolish monster, how is your fever now? Right? Are you well, or what about your sickness? Are you feeling better or not after having this divine drink? Caliban, hast thou not dropped from heaven? So Caliban says, have you not come from heaven? Because Caliban feels that such a wonderful drink can only be possessed by people who live in heaven. This is an unearthly drink for him because he has never tasted wine. This is the first time that he tasted wine, and he felt good after tasting wine. So he says that, have you not come from heaven? Stephano, out of the moon, I do assure thee. I was the man in the moon when time was. So Stephano says, yes, of course. Now they are making fun of Caliban. He says that, yes. Stephano says, yes, of course, I am the man in the moon. Trust me, I assure you, I confirm that I am the man in the moon. I was the man in the moon when time was. Means once upon a time, I used to live in the moon, and now I have landed upon this earth. So I am definitely the man in the moon. Caliban, I have seen thee in her, and I do adore. Her means her is used for moon. Right? Caliban says, yes, yes, I have seen you in the moon, and I do adore you means I do worship you, I do like you a lot. My mistress, mistress is a reference for Mistress here is referred for Miranda, right? He says that my mistress showed me thee and thy dog and thy bush. Now, because Prospero and Miranda, they were teaching this monster, Caliban, right? They were trying to, both of them were making efforts to make Caliban into a civilized creature, right? So they must have told him some stories, taught him something, taught him about the moon, the sun, and all these things. So that is why he's saying that my mistress. Mistress is for Miranda. Showed me thee. Showed me thee means showed you to me and thy dog and thy bush. So it's a reference to some story which must have been narrated by Miranda, in which there must have been a man in the moon along with his dog and bush. So Caliban is stupid enough to think that story to be a reality, and now he is believing that the story which was told by Miranda about the man in the moon and his dog and the bush, Stefano is the same man. Stefano, come, swear to that, kiss the bottle. I'll furnish it anon with new contents. Swear. So he says, come, now you swear upon this bottle, kiss the bottle, and I will fill this with immediately with new content. Swear. So because as soon as the bottle will be empty, I'm going to fill it with new content. You swear the bottle. And then he again gives Caliban some more drink. By this good light, this is a very shallow monster. So he says, I am by this good light means I am swearing by the light of the sun. Right? Even once you are drunk, you take a lot of oaths. Right? This swearing starts. So he says that by this good light, by this light of the sun, I am ready to swear that this is a shallow monster, that this is a very shallow, a foolish monster without any sense, stupid kind of a monster. I appeared him and I was scared of him. When I saw him in the beginning, I was scared of him. A very weak monster. But this seems to be a very weak monster. The man in the moon. He's talking about the man in the moon. He's thinking Stefano to be the man in the moon. So definitely he is a stupid monster. A most credulous monster. Well-drawn monster in books. So he is the most credulous monster. The most credulous means the person who believes anything. Right? A very gullible person, a person you tell anything to the credulous person and he will believe. A person who easily believes is credulous. So he says that he is such a stupid monster that he believes anything. He believed whatever Stefano told him, that he is the man in the moon, and this stupid monster believed him. So he's such a stupid monster, well-drawn monster in good suit. So this monster is heavily drunk now. Caliban, I'll show thee. But Caliban ignores what Trinculo says, and then he further says that I will show thee every fertile inch of the island. Every fertile inch of the island means all the fertile places of the island. I am ready to show you all the fertile places of this particular island. And I'll kiss thy foot. And I will kiss thy foot means I will be thy slave. I pray thee, be my God. I request you to be my God. You please become my God. I want to, you please become my God. You please become my master. I want to become your slave. Why does Caliban want to become Stefano's slave? And kiss his foot. Can anyone tell me?
Who has it? The yes. Also. Yes, Piyush, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, according to Caliban, ma'am, Stefano, ma'am, he is more powerful than Prospero, and ma'am, according to him, he will be able to give punishment or can kill Prospero.
Just a second. Have you been told about these things till now?
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, imagination.
Zubia.
Ma'am, because he was having that wine.
Yes, because he was having that wine, which Caliban believes to be a divine drink, right? Because he has never tasted it till now. This is the first time that he got the taste of wine, and he was very much impressed by that drink. And so that is why he says he is ready to become his slave. Because if he'll become his slave, he will get that drink quite often. So I will kiss thy foot. I pray thee, be my God. I request you to please become my God. Trinkilo, by this light, a most perfidious and drunken monster. Perfidious means wicked, evil. So I am ready to swear by this light. I am ready to swear by this light of the sun that he is the most wicked and drunken monster. When God's asleep, then his God, who is his God? Stefano, because he is referring to Stefano as the God, na? He's asking Stefano to become his God. So he says, when God's asleep, he will rob his body. I'm sure that when the God will go to sleep, this wicked monster is going to take away his bottle of wine. And he wants you to become his God just because he wants that drink. So that is why he addresses Caliban as a perfidious and a drunken monster. Caliban says, I'll kiss thy foot. I'll swear myself thy son. So I am ready to become your footlicker. I am ready to become your slave. Please take me as your subject. You become my king. You become my ruler. And take me as your subject. Come on then, down and swear. So Stefano says, okay, fine. If you want that, then kneel down and take an oath. Trinkilo, I shall laugh myself to death at this puppy-headed monster. At this puppy-headed means stupid, right? So Trinkilo is making fun of Caliban, right? He's finding all this very funny. He says, I will die laughing at this stupid monster, most scurvy monster. He is the most wretched monster I could find in my heart to beat him. I don't know why I am having a very strong urge to beat this monster. He's such a stupid creature that I have a very strong urge, right? I want to start hitting this stupid monster, right? On his foolery. Stefano, come, kiss. And then he again asks Caliban to kiss the bottle. Trinkilo. But that the poor monsters in drink, an abominable monster, says, though this monster, if this monster would have not been drunk at this moment, right, or would have not been in an intoxicated, in an inebriated state, this would have been definitely a detestable monster. A detestable means hateful monster, right? This monster is fit to be hated. The only reason why we are not hating him is because he is heavily drunk in an intoxicated state, or else he is fit to be detested and hated. Now Caliban says, I will show, now what does Caliban offer to Stefano? He says, I'll show thee the best springs. He says, I will show you the best springs. Please, this is important, right? What does Caliban offer to do for Stefano? He says, I'll show thee the best springs of this island. I'll plug the berries. I will show you the springs on the island, the water bodies of the island, and I will go and pluck berries for you. I'll fish for thee, and I will even bring fish for you. Get thee wood enough. I will fetch wood, which is to be used as fuel for you. A plague upon the tyrant. Who's the tyrant here? Prospero. And then he again starts cursing Prospero. He says, may plague fall upon that tyrant. Tyrant means Prospero, my tyrant monster, my tyrant master. Right? Prospero was his master not till now. So he is addressing Prospero as the tyrant. And he wishes that may plague fall upon him that I serve. The master whom I am serving now, may plague fall upon him. I'll bear him no more sticks. Now I have decided that I will not carry any wood for Prospero, but follow thee. But instead, what I'll do? Instead, I will start following me thou wondrous man, because you are a wonderful man. You are a great man because you are carrying such a wonderful liquid. You are a very powerful man. I finally realized because only great people can possess such a great drink. And so I've decided that I will give up my job, my slavery to my present master and become your servant. Tranquilo, a most ridiculous monster to make a wonder of a poor man. So he says, he's such a stupid monster that he is making a poor drunkard like Stefano, a normal human being who is heavily drunk, who is heavily intoxicated like Stefano, into a wonderful man. This is really very stupid of this monster, right? To think of a drunkard as a wonderful man. I pray thee. This is again an important speech. Right? Caliban says, I pray thee. I pray thee means I request you. Let me bring thee where the crabs go. So crabs means crab apples. So let me bring thee means please let me show you the place where the crab apples they are grown on the island. And I with my long nails will dig the pignuts. And what will I do? I will use my long nails to dig groundnuts from you, groundnuts from the ground for you. Show the jay's nest. And what else I'll do? I'll show you the nest of jays. Jay is a bird. So show you jay's nest, dig pignuts for you, that is groundnuts for you, take you to the place where crab apples are grown, and instruct thee how to snare the nimble marmoset. Marmoset means the monkey, and I will tell you how to capture the monkey. Right? That also to snare the nimble marmoset. Nimble means very active and agile. Right? I will tell you how to catch hold of the of a very active monkey. I'll bring the clustering filberts, and sometimes I'll get the young camel from the rock. Right? And what else I'll do? I'll bring filberts means hazelnut. It's like almond. It's a nut. Right? I will bring hazelnuts for you, and sometimes what else I'll do? And sometimes I'll fetch young camels for you. What is this camel? Camels from the rock. I will go and I will even bring camels from the rock. Camel is a bird, right? Normally known as seagull. Right? So this is a bird. Found near water bodies, especially seas. Right? So I will go and bring camels for you from the rock. Will thou go with me? So he is actually trying to tempt Stefano to please go with him. So these are the things which Caliban offers, right? And you need to remember all of them. What does Caliban offer to Stefano, right? So then he asks, will you go with me? Will you accompany me? Stefano, I pray thee now lead the way without any more talking. So he says, yes, I will accompany you. Stefano agrees and he says that yes, sure, I'll accompany you. Now you please show me the way without any more talking. Now you should stop this talking and please show me the way. Tranquilo, the king and all our company else being drowned. So see, they are believing that all the people except these two, that is Stefano and Tranquilo, they have been drowned in the sea. So he says the king and all the people who were with us, they have been drowned. We will inherit here. And so we will take this island into our possession. We will catch hold of this island and we will inherit this island and live here. Here, bear my bottle. Here, you take this bottle. Carry my bottle. Tranquilo, we'll finish him by and by. And we will finish this bottle with time. As time passes, we will finish this bottle. Caliban sings drunkenly. So Caliban is very happy because he feels that now he'll be free from the torture of Prospero, and so he starts singing. Farewell, master, farewell, farewell. So master means, master is used for Prospero, and he says, now farewell, master, tata, bye bye, master, farewell, farewell. Trinculo, a howling monster, a drunken monster. So obviously, you can imagine how will it sound when Caliban will start singing. So Trinculo says that this monster has started howling. Right? Song was like a howl. His singing was like howling for Trinculo. He says that he is crying monster, a drunken monster, and he is a drunken monster. Monster who is heavily drunk. And then Caliban doesn't bother, and Caliban goes on with his song. He says, no more dams I'll make for fish. No more dams I'll make for fish means they make streams, right? They create water bodies to capture fish, right? These are the artificial enclosures of water which are made for fish. So he says that I will not have to make dams for you to capture fishes, nor fetch in fire. Neither will I have to fetch fire for your fuel. Right? He's talking about Prospero at requiring. So whenever you will ask me, I will not go and fetch fire for your fetch wood for your fire now. Nor scrape trencher. Trencher means wooden utensils. Neither will I have to clean your wooden utensils, nor wash your dishes. Caliban has a new master. Why will I not do all this? Because now Caliban has got a new master. Get a new man. And then he says to Prospero that you also get a new servant for yourself, because I have got a new master. Freedom, heyday, heyday, freedom, heyday, heyday. So he says that now my heydays are here, now my good times are here, because I have got freedom from such a tyrant master, and now I am free from your service. Stefano, oh brave monster, lead the way. So Stefano says that you are a brave monster, please lead the way, please show me the way. And then they all leave. So with this, we come to the end of Act 2, Scene 2. Thank you.